In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and redo a reconciled bank transaction in Xero. If you've matched a bank statement line to the wrong item or created a transaction in error, Xero makes it easy to unwind that action and fix it properly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what each one does so you can correct the reconciliation with confidence. First, open Xero and head to the Reconcile area for the relevant bank account. This is where you normally match or create transactions from your bank feed. Being in the correct bank account matters because remove and redo only applies to the transactions within that specific account. Next, switch to Account Transactions. This view lets you see a full list of transactions for the selected bank account, including those already reconciled. It's the best place to identify what was matched and how. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right item by checking the date, amount, payee, and reference so you don't undo the wrong match. Now, locate the reconcile transaction you want to correct and tick its checkbox. Selecting the checkbox tells Xero exactly which transaction you intend to change. If you're reviewing multiple lines, go slowly and verify each detail so you keep your audit trail clean and accurate. With the transaction selected, click Remove and Redo. This action doesn't delete your bank statement line. Instead, it reverses the reconciliation. If a payment was applied to an invoice or bill, that payment is removed and the invoice or bill returns to awaiting payment. If you created a spend or receive money transaction during reconciliation, that created transaction is removed so you can recreate it correctly. Xero will ask you to confirm, click Yes to proceed. Once confirmed, the reconciled status is done, and the bank statement line becomes available again on the reconcile screen. From there, you can match it to the correct invoice or bill, split it if needed, or recreate the appropriate spend or receive money transaction, whichever is accurate for your records. A few final tips as you wrap up. Ensure you have the right user permissions to edit bank reconciliations, and be mindful of any locked accounting periods. If your organization uses month-end controls, coordinate with your accountant before making changes. It's also a good idea to add a note or internal comment explaining why you reversed the reconciliation so anyone reviewing later understands the correction. That's it. You've successfully removed and redone a reconciled bank transaction in Xero and set yourself up to reconcile it correctly.